Hello, in front of me I've got XIAOMI G27i. In this video I'll show you how to adjust hue and saturation. In the beginning, let's go to Monitors menu. Go to Picture Mode and find Hue. Adjust it on this slider. Next, you can adjust saturation. In context of monitor or display, hue refers to basic color tone of an image. It is one of the main attributes of color along with saturation and brightness. Adjusting hue changes the overall color tint in the entire image without altering its brightness or how vivid are colors. If you find this video helpful, please like, comment and subscribe.